it's Chili Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Just got an idea in my head and I've got to follow through with it, so I thought I would take you on my crazy journey. This was a 25 by 25 canvas. It didn't quite go as planned, so I just used a sponge brush and sponged the colours back in. So hopefully probably none of these colours will actually show through, but I'm going to just have what was in my mind, so bear with me, people, bear with me. So yeah, I've got an idea in my head and we'll just see how this one plays out. So I'm adding my colours around the outside, as you see, in view to leaving a little peaky hole in the centre there, which I hope to add some kind of embellishment. So that's pearl white with champagne gold, and that was a little bit of the navy. And I'm actually spraying just H2O water on there, just to make it flow a little bit, sort of sloppier actually. So when I blow this out, this is going to be my sort of the outside composition for it, with, like I said, a little surprise hopefully in the centre, but we'll see how we go, because nothing seems to work that I've got my mind on when I start a piece. It always seems to take on a whole life of its own. So I'm using my little baby Liss compact blow dryer that I did get from a charity store, and I cannot find them exactly the same anywhere now, so I get asked every single video somebody asks me, but there you go. So I'm just merrily going along, blowing this one out until I'm happy with the composition. I am going to add a bit of paint in the centre. I just didn't like that colour that I'd got my peaky hole, so I'm sort of going to try and see if I can edit it and get rid of it, of those colours, and then I'll go back over, because I think doing the colours that I've just added there will work better with what I have in mind. Yeah, so I'll add the paint and soften it all up and see what I get left with after that. But it sort of wasn't going to plan, but that happens to me 9 times out of 10, and you just have to, you know, make allowances for that and literally go with the flow. So let's see what happens. But I just was spraying water on that rather than to sort of thin it down enough to make sure I could use it as a flow art to, you know, blow onto the drier bits. So it is just water I'm using to blow on there. And let's see if I can get anything beautiful out of this.
So that I could not forget. Easy rider on the highway, station wagon going slow, windows open, you are basking in the bluegrass radio. It is easy now to see you with your hand out on the wind.
So yeah, just sort of adding bits and bobs. I mean, I've really not left much in the centre there to do anything with. I mean, some people might just say just leave it, because it actually looks as though you're looking through. It kind of makes it 3D. But I do add some just further little embellishments to it, and then I'm going to leave it to dry, and then I will be back with you.
In your terry cotton with your arms sweeping the sky. It was then I had a knowing. You were waving till the bend. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget.
So I did leave this all to dry, and then I come back to add a stencil to it, and I thought I was recording, but I actually wasn't recording, silly Gilly. So this is my stencil that I just added over the top of that dry piece, which I've used the stencil before in another piece of art, and I can link that particular video if you want to know exactly how I put the stencil on, but it's very easy. And then I just embellished the stencil, also went over the lines of the stencil, just a little bit more detail. So I was really happy with the result of that in the end. It was quite fun to do. So there you go. It was sort of turned out to be a kind of meh painting, but then adding the stencil really added some dimension to it. And I've had quite a lot of visitors through my house that said, I bags that one, I want that one. So there you go. All good and well. Please take care, my lovelies. Remember, if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, ring a family member or a friend, or if not, certainly a helpline. Bye for now.
I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Easy rider on the highway, station wagon going slow, windows open, you are basking in the bluegrass radio. It is easy now to see you with your hand out on the wind. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Pink azaleas by your driveway, shade our leisurely goodbyes. In your terry cotton sweater, with your arms sweeping the sky. It was then I had a knowing. You were waving till the bend. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget. And your shadow to the coast, past the surf and whitewashed beaches, under cypress trees and smoke. Carved like lovers into driftwood.